If you have a lot of work and you want to focus on your tasks, I recommend you to enable focus mode. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable this mode in Windows 11. So first, we need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that we need to go to settings. Then we need to go to system settings, and here we need to open focus, reduce distractions settings. Focus sessions help you get more done by reducing distractions. When you start a session, these settings will apply for a set amount of time. So on default, session duration is set to 30 minutes. If you want, you can increase or decrease this time, everything depends on your preferences. And if you want, you can check here these 4 options to show the timer in the clock app, hide badges on taskbar apps, hide flashing on taskbar apps, and turn on do not disturb mode. So for example, I will set here 10 minutes, and if I want to start focus session, I need to click on this one button. After that, it will be started in, and you will see here a clock. Now you can easily focus on your tasks without distractions. If you want to pause this mode, I recommend you to click on this one button, or alternatively you can click on this one button here. So in this way you can easily enable or disable focus mode in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.